Today I'm going to show you guys my Rokr, I think that's how you pronounce it, marble climber, or marble run. This is what it looks like. There's a crank here that you spin, it is manual, and the balls go up, they spin in this gear here, and then they go through the whole thing. You do have to build this. We can take a look inside here. I've already built mine. You just have to punch all of the parts out, and then you just stick them together where they go. This wax here is actually basically the grease for the gears, for the moving parts, but you don't really have to have that. And here's the thing itself. The balls go up here, up this elevator. They go out, down under here, and they go spin in this wheel, and then they go through the whole thing. They go through here, around under here, and then in. And then they have two ways to go, and both of them will end up down here. And then they go back to the beginning. If you build one of these yourself, or if you get this kit, we got this one from Dillard's. If you do get this and build it, I do recommend, gluing, most of the parts. I used hot glue, and that worked perfectly fine. This comes with a total of 10 balls, and only 8 of them are going to be used. One of them goes in here, and then the other one goes right in that elevator. And those are permanent. So I have the 8 remaining balls to put in here. And also, you can only turn it this way. You cannot turn it the other way because there is this latch here. But we are going to watch it. You could add a motor to this, if you wanted. And one fell out. Lovely. Sometimes they get stuck in that one spot. We need to get some balls out of here, because a lot of them fell. So, when I was building this and I finished it, once they got up to here, they just kept going around and then they fall out down there. And there was another problem where these were too close together and the ball couldn't go down. And that's because in the instructions, they never told me to put this piece on. They never told me to put that on there, so I had to put it on myself. And then also, this here was an extra piece. It's not technically supposed to be there, but I had to put it there so the ball could actually get pushed out. And it actually kind of got stuck once. So as you can see, I hot glued mostly everything. This one also tends to get stuck like that, and then the balls just get piled up down there. But I could probably take those out. We're gonna get some different views here. Oh, come on, see, look, that's what I'm talking about. And one just fell. And another one just fell. But, overall, this is pretty cool. How did this end up down here? When I was building this, I did have some parts break, but those were an easy fix. I don't know if you noticed it, but there's some hot glue right there. That's because I was pushing on this part too hard, and it broke off. So I just glued that back together, and also I had to glue one piece on here. I don't remember which one. I think it was that one, because that tab on it broke off. And I don't know if you noticed it, but this part here, that is actually very important, because when the elevator goes up, it goes down. And then when it goes down, there's this bar in here, and that stops the balls from continuing on going, as you can see. So the elevator pushes it down and lets the balls in. So that is my showcase and demonstration of my Rokr marble climber / marble run. Make sure to read the description and also subscribe. Thank you.